12 internet tricks that you should know. There are now more than 4.6 billion people that use the internet to get the most out of using it. I will show you a dozen tips and tricks for use on the internet along with those used via your browser to help improve your online experience. Coming up next on TechTinge, the first trick is YouTube in slow motion. So how can you play the audio go really slow motion? So you have to click on this gear icon and choose the playback speed from minimum 0.25 to maximum 2. So this is how you can choose the playback speed normally. But what if I tell you that you can play the video in slow motion with the help of the spacebar? So you have to just keep the spacebar pressed and it will pause the video and play the video in loop to make you feel like that YouTube video is playing in slow motion. And it will also do the same for the audio, and audio will be choppy in this slow motion. So this is how you can play the video in slow motion. So moving forward, we have browser Notepad. So basically any browser is mainly used for browsing the web pages or doing search upon the internet. But what if I tell you that browser also works as a notepad? It is not full-fledged notepad, but they are providing a feature of writing something in it. It can also work as notepad. So you have to just copy the code in the browser and you have to paste it in address bar, and it will work as a notepad, and you can write down sentences or paragraph that you want and save the file on the disk wherever you want and use it later. You can also make this tab as a bookmark so that later on you can quickly open this if you are using this notepad frequently. So this is how a browser also providing you a notepad. Next trick is visit.com website quickly. So what if I tell you that how do you open a website? You have to provide the http://www.website.com. So if I tell you that you don't need to provide HTTP or HTTPS and after that you don't need to provide trailing.com, or we can say that you don't need to write complete address of the website, just you have to provide the main part of the website. I mean the middle part, and after that you have to press the Control and Enter from the keyboard at a time so that it can automatically complete the address for you. Moving ahead, how can you download the YouTube video? So it is very simple. You have to just go to the address bar and we have to change URL by putting the SS after the www and before the YouTube, and hit enter. It will land you on this page and you can download the YouTube video in the lower resolution because it is free, so they are not providing you high resolution to download, but it is worth for free. So this is how you can download YouTube videos. After that we have the Google Internet trick to flip a coin. So this is digital flipping a coin, so you can take a decision by flipping a coin on the Google. So this is how it is working. You can flip a coin and take head and tail on it. And it is also suggesting us roll a dice, so you can roll the dice and play with these quick tricks or games. After that we have Wayback Machine. So Wayback Machine is a website that has archived millions of pages online, and it will show you how did a website look like in the past, and we can watch the websites how did it look like in past. I am searching for the google.com, how did it look like on February 14, 2004. So this is how it looked like at that particular time. So we can also check for the forbes.com, so this is how this Wayback Machine is working. So it is for showing the old Google logo at that time with old look. Isn't it amazing? Comment me below. Next trick is converting a YouTube video into GIF. So how can we create a GIF of the YouTube video? So you have to go to the address bar and you have to type the GIF in front of the YouTube and it will land you on this page. And after that you have to provide start and end time to create the GIF for that particular video. So let me choose that. And on top it is showing an option to create GIF, so you have to click on that. After picking up the start and end point, you can give the title for that and you can place tag for that, and after some setting done it, now it is ready to download. Moving forward, so what if I tell you that you can download any movie in a quick fashion? So you have to provide the index of any movie in this case. Like I have to download the Avengers, for that I have to just provide index of Avenger, so you can download this movie. It is very much fast and efficient compared to torrent, because we will take some time to find the correct torrent and download it, but in this case it will give us direct link to download this movie, and it will provide us some links to watch this movie online like this. So this is how we can find out the index of any movie. And we can download and watch this movie very quickly, but I suggest you to watch movies in theater or watch it on any OTT platform. So let me know in comments section, how did you enjoy this video so far? Moving forward, so how can you bookmark all tabs? So it is a quick trick. So as we have opened bunch of open tabs, what if I want to bookmark all the tabs? So I have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus D, so it will bookmark all the tabs that are opened in this browser. So this is how it is working. So it is very really cool, takes all the open tabs to bookmark that are already opened. To work privately or search privately, we have Incognito mode in Chrome, but it named differently for different browsers. So you know all the features of Incognito mode because it will not save your browsing history, cookies and third-party site data and all. So this is the Brave browser. We search in two ways in Brave browser, as private window and private windows with Tor connectivity. So it is one step ahead compared with other browser. So it is getting connected. So this is how you can open the private window and private window with Tor in the browser. And in the Vivaldi it is named as private window. So this is how it is working for different browsers. So moving ahead, what if I tell you that browser can also work as a media player? If you don't have any default player or you did not install any media player in your system. So in order to play the media file, you have to just drag the media file to the browser and it will play that file. So it is very easy. So this is how it is working. And the last trick is Google auto-complete phrases. So what if I tell you that Google also completes your phrases in a second? So you have to just provide your incomplete phrase in double quotes and use star for the forgotten word. You have to just put the star in that and you have to search on Google that it will auto-complete the phrase by showing you related search for the same. So that's all in this video, so thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends and tell me in the comment section which trick did you like most, and you can also consider subscribe my channel and press the bell notification if you are new on it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.